Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll explain everything from how to sign up for Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, to how to trade futures, all in a very easy and simple way. Sign up using the link below this video to receive a 20% Binance fee discount and bonus rewards, so be sure to use the link. First, I'll explain how to sign up for Binance. When you access Binance via the link in the video below, the Binance sign-up screen will appear. Here, you can see that a 20% trading fee discount and various bonus rewards are offered. Please create an account using your email address or mobile phone number. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions below. Then click Continue. Select the image that matches the word on the left. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone number. Please enter the verification code you received. Next, create a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and number. If the inviter code input screen appears, please enter SKY333. Enter this code to receive a 20% Binance fee discount and bonus rewards. We strongly recommend entering it before completing your registration. Once you complete this step, your account creation is complete. Next, we will proceed with identity verification. To deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance, your identity verification must be completed. As this process includes facial verification, we will continue using your mobile phone. Download the Binance app on your phone. Open the Binance app, log in with the account you just created. You will be directed to the identity verification screen. First, please select your nationality. I'll select India. Then, we will proceed with identity verification. Please select one of the following documents. I will select passport verification. To take a passport photo, select Take Photo. Then click Continue. Now, align the passport photo page within the camera frame and take a photo. Make sure there is no glare or shadow. Next, we will proceed with facial verification. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the required steps one by one. The identity verification process is now complete. After approximately 1 hour of review, you will see your status change to verified. Next, let's set up Google Authenticator. Please return to your PC screen. Click on Accounts in the left menu. Then click on Security. We will set up security using an Authenticator app. Click Manage. Then click Use an Authenticator app. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone number. Please enter the code you received. Then a QR code pop-up will appear. Now, download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Open the Google Authenticator app, click the button at the bottom right, and select Scan a QR code. Then scan the QR code shown on the PC screen. A 6-digit Binance code will be generated in Google Authenticator. Now click Next on the Binance PC screen. Enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into the app code field. Two-factor authentication setup is now complete. Next, I'll explain how to conduct peer-to-peer trading on Binance. First, click the wallet icon in the top right corner. As you can see here, the Spot wallet is used for spot trading and holding your main assets. And the Futures wallet is dedicated to futures trading. First, click Spot. Then click Deposit in the top right corner. Next, click Buy with USD peer-to-peer. Check the box to agree. Then, click Start Trading. To purchase cryptocurrency, select Buy. Then choose USDT. Compared to BTC or USD, USDT generally offers the best exchange rate. Select the currency you wish to purchase here and enter the amount. Then choose the payment method. Below, you will see a list of advertisers. I suggest dealing with advertisers who consistently receive many orders and have strong feedback and proven record of completing transactions. Click Buy USDT next to the advertiser you want to purchase from. Make sure to review the advertiser's terms thoroughly prior to completing your purchase. Enter the amount you want to buy. Then click Buy USDT. You'll see the advertiser's name, bank ID, and QR code. Before making the payment, carefully review the seller's chat messages. Go ahead and make your deposit using the payment method you've chosen. Then return to Binance. Click Transfer, notify seller. Upload and send at least 1 up to 3 proof of payment to the seller. Check the agreement box below, and click Confirm. Wait a few moments, then tap the wallet icon at the top right corner, and choose Spot. You'll then be able to confirm that your USDT has been successfully deposited. Next, I'll explain how to trade futures on Binance. To begin trading futures, you need to move your coins from the Spot wallet into the Futures wallet first. Click the Spot wallet, then click Transfer at the top right. Transfer from Fiat and Spot to USDM Futures. Select the coin to transfer, enter the amount, and click Confirm. The coins have been successfully moved to your Futures wallet. To begin futures trading, select Futures from the top menu. Select USDM Futures. You'll now see the Futures trading screen. Click this button at the top left to select the coin you want to trade. Use the menu on the right to adjust your futures trading settings in detail. Click this button to select margin mode. Cross uses your entire margin balance to open positions. The isolated mode only applies a part of your margin when opening positions. Beginners should consider using isolated mode for safety. Click this button to set the leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. Using higher leverage can boost profits, yet it also raises the risk of liquidation. Beginners should trade cautiously using 3x to 5x leverage. Next, click this button to set the order type. With a limit order, you can specify the price at which you want to buy or sell. With a market order, your trade is executed right away at the prevailing price. You can see your available margin just below that section. You can specify the price and amount for your trade in this section. Finally, select a position direction. Select buy long if you anticipate an upward price movement. If you think the price will drop, opt for sell short. By clicking the positions button below, you can check your active position. Entry price is the average price of your position. The mark price shows the reference price used in the market. The position will be automatically closed if the market price reaches the liquidation price. P&L shows your current profit and loss. Use the pencil icon next to TPSL to set your desired take profit and stop loss prices. To close your position, go to the Market Close All button and choose Market or Limit. You can then confirm that your position has been closed. In today's video, I walked you through Binance sign up and futures trading step by step, in an easy to understand way. Your support through subscriptions and likes really helps us make more videos. Thanks a lot for watching today.